Hey guys, it's Miss Smith, and we are on our very final lesson of the school year. We are in week 12. We are in the week 12 packet, and this is the second math lesson in that packet, which is our last one. So let's get started. This lesson is Module 16, Lesson 4. It's called Dot Plots and Data Distribution. Okay, it's the very next step after learning about mean, median, mode, and range. Now, what is a dot plot? A dot plot is a visual display where each data value is a dot above a number line. All right, that's just a bunch of words. Let me show you what that means, okay? If we use the data that we used in our last lesson when we learned mean, median, mode, and range, we have student ages. So some of them are 13, some of them are 11, some of them are 12, and one of them is 14, right? So this is a group of students, and these are their ages. The first step in making a dot plot is to put the numbers in order. Just like when we find the median, we want to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So we put all the 11s together, then the 12s, then the 13s, then the 14s. The second step is to make a number line with the values in the data set. So here's a number line with 11, 12, 13, and 14, which are all the values that we have in the data set. The last step is to draw a dot above the number line for each data value. So 1, 2, 3, 4 students are 11. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4 dots above the 11. Each of those dots is one of these data values, right? And now we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots above the 12. Okay, each of those dots is one of these 12s, and that's why they're above the 12. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students that are age 12. And then we have 2 that are 13 and 1 that's 14. That is a dot plot, okay? And we can tell a lot of things from this dot plot. First of all, it's very easy to see which one is the mode. The tallest one is the mode. That's the one that has the most data points. 12 years old has the most data points, right? So the mode is 12. We can also find the range because you see the highest data value and you see the lowest data value, and you just subtract them. You can also find the median from a dot plot. Let me show you how. If I count how many data values I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 data values, right? For the median, I want the very middle data value. So they are in order from least to greatest. These are the least, then these, then these, then this, right? This is the greatest. So I start counting from least to greatest, and I want to get to the middle. Well, if there are 15 of them, the middle is going to be the 8th number. So watch, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. That number right there is the middle, and it is 12. All of these are 12, right? So this is the number 12. All of these are 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. But how do I know that's the middle? Well, watch. It's the 8th number. There are 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side of the 12. There are 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side of the 12. So there are 7 on this side, 7 on this side. So that one is the middle. So it's the median, right? The median is the middle number. So that's how I find median from a dot plot. You can also find the mean from a dot plot. Remember, the mean is when you add up all of the values and divide by the number of numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 11s. So 11 times 4 is 44. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 12s. So 12 times 8 is 96. We have 2 13s. So 13 times 2 is 26. And we have 1 14. So now we can add up 44 plus 96 plus 26 plus 14, and we will get 180. So that's adding up all of these values. Okay, 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 is 44. Okay, now once we have the add it all up, we're going to divide by the number of numbers. And if we count all the dots, we have 15. So we have 15 numbers, which gives us a mean of 12. Okay, so the measures of center, which we learned last lesson, mean, median, range, and mode, you can find those from a dot plot. So you know now how to make a dot plot, and you know how to find measures of center using a dot plot. All right, so today's IXL practice is GG3, GG4, and GG5, and you'll find the links to those IXL skills with this assignment. And practice, practice, practice. Watch the video as many times as you need to. This is our final math lesson for the school year. So learn all you can, and I will see you in class on the last day, which is Wednesday, for our final goodbye of this school year.